Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Our Life Journey. If you're new, my name is Patricia. For those that have been following me, you know that I've been doing carnivore on and off for about a year and a half. I've lost 90 pounds on this journey, and you guys, I'm so happy. Now, if you guys have seen my previous video, I did try to do like a 2-week challenge because I did go to Portland, Oregon. I went for an engagement and there was a dress that I wanted to wear. I got off carnivore and I put a little bit of weight because you know what? Every once in a while, I like to indulge. I like to eat things outside of carnivore. And before you come at me at the comments, my life journey, I'm gonna do what I like. So if I'm gonna eat carbs, if I'm gonna eat sweets, if I'm gonna do this, if I'm gonna do that, my journey. You guys have to do what is best for you. If you only wanna stick carnivore, remnant meats, lion diet, whatever it may be. I've even heard of sardine diet. I can't do that, no. But anyway, I've kind of came to the point where it's like, my body's happy when I'm on and when I get off for a short time. And yes, my body reacts when I have too much sugar, too much carbs, my inflammation comes back, my acne comes back, so on and so forth. But then I get back on carnivore, go through the process, and I do good. So when I did my 2-week challenge, I basically only did one because again, I'm trying to sell my house. A lot of things are happening and I'm literally taking it one day at a time. And that's why I didn't record anything while I was in Portland. I enjoyed my time in Portland with my hubby. I did not want to record. I wanted some private time just to enjoy ourselves. So that is why I have been MIA, and you probably will see that more in the future. I am not a daily vlogger. I take one day at a time. If I can record, I'm gonna record. If I cannot, sorry, this is just me, okay? And the way that you see me is what you get. This is how I am in real life, you guys. I'm a 39, almost 39-year-old woman. I'm goofy, I'm talkative, I'm expressive. I chew with my mouth open, especially if I like something. I had somebody say that they're going to unsubscribe to me or unsubscribe me, whatever that is, because I hold my fork like a child. I laughed. I laughed when I saw that comment, but it's like, seriously? Like, you need more fun in your life. So life is way too short. I know I don't act my age and I probably never will because this is how I am, you guys. So if you like me and you want to see more of this, go ahead and subscribe. But you know what? I want my channel to be fun. I want my channel to be easy. So that is why it's Our Life Journey. I am sharing with you guys what I have done to lose the 90 pounds. And you guys, I did a poll. 78% wants to do the 8-week challenge. Ooh, okay. This is gonna be new. We've done always like a 4-week challenge or a month challenge, but 8 weeks. So you know what? It works out. It's very good because I did go to Portland, which I will have some pictures and like small little videos that I'll share at the very end of this video. But I did indulge myself. There was pastries, there was sarmale, there was like so much European food. I enjoyed my little vacation to Portland. So yeah, perfect timing to do this 8-week challenge. And I did have some comments saying, towards the very end of the challenge is Mother's Day. And they're like, Patricia, can I take a day off? Can I take like a few days off? Absolutely. Oh my gosh. Don't even think about it. You guys have to do what is best for you. And especially Mother's Day, enjoy your day with your kids, with your spouse. Oh my gosh. Once you're done having fun, you're enjoying that day, get back on the wagon and just continue or finish early. If you got to your goal, just be happy. So weigh yourself, measure yourself, take before and after pictures because that will show you how much you've improved, because weight does take longer to come off, but you'll see inches, like your clothes will fit better. Your health issues will start to disappear. I got acne, I got arthritis, I got a lot of, yeah. So this 8-week challenge is actually very exciting for me because I do have another engagement coming in May, and I definitely want to lose some weight. Now, I did lose 90 pounds, but you know what? I want to be able to say I lost 100 pounds. So that's going to be my goal. I want to hit that 150. 150 is my new goal, so I can say I lost 100 pounds. Now, okay, let's get to this challenge, you guys. It's gonna be the basic. Like, I've done so many challenges already, and more in detail, please go ahead and check out my previous videos. But the gist of it is anything that comes from the animal you can eat. So all kinds of meat, beef, chicken, turkey, fish, bison, you guys, any kind of meat you can eat. If it comes from the animal, like eggs, dairy, you've got milk, you got cheese, you've got yogurt. I'm not going to count those carbs. Yes, dairy has carbs, it has sugar, but that's automatically from the animal. So I'm not going to count that. The only carbs that I will is if I have my grilled onions, if I have some avocados, and again, my challenge, I will have frozen berries every once in a while. So I noticed that my stomach actually does pretty well with berries. Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries. I'm not going to have strawberries. I'm still kind of like iffy on the strawberries, but those three, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries, sticking them in the freezer and then like nibbling on them, it's like a dessert. It's like slushy texture. It's amazing. But that's gonna be me, and that's gonna be here and there. I'm not gonna have every single night. I'm just going to have like maybe half a cup to 1 cup of the fruits, the berries, and that's gonna be my dessert. So if you guys don't wanna do that, please don't do that. You don't wanna use seasonings, don't use seasonings. I will, because I love my seasonings. I ran out of the Black Magic seasoning, which I think I need to order some more, which everything that I will be using in this challenge, or that I've been using while on carnivore, I will have a link for it down below. And I'm talking about my corn dog molds, my bun molds, my square little griddle pan, my collagen, okay? Everything. I will have a link for it down below. So if you guys are wondering what I used or what I will be using, everything is down below. So I will be drinking lots and lots of water and coffee. Yes, I know carnivore coffee. It's not carnivore. Okay, I understand that. Don't come in the comments. I will be drinking coffee. I am also going to be doing intermittent fasting. So now the thing is, this is 30 calories for 1 scoop, okay? So I'll have my first cup black. I only drink black coffee. So first cup will be black. And then once I get towards breaking the intermittent fasting, I'll do that 1 scoop in my coffee, or have it in your water. Now, I wanna share with you something goofy, if you will. This bottle here is so like destroyed because I use it for my challenges. If you guys have fun, I don't know, I feel like things are so much easier and you can just continue doing it. That's just me. I'm a happy, goofy kind of person. If things are fun, it's sustainable. So I love my Young Living electrolytes. It's the grapefruit bergamot. I'll put like a squirt every single time I drink water in this bottle because it has like this kind of lid, cap, whatever. It's fun to drink. And I noticed that I drink a lot more water when it's in something like this. Now the second thing, or third or fourth, I don't even know what I'm on right now, is I'm going to drink half my weight in ounces. So This is 23.7 ounces. I'm just going to calculate my weight, half it in ounces, and then calculate how many of these I need to drink a day. Easy peasy. You can drink from a cup, you can drink from a normal bottle, whatever. But for me, if you guys see me drinking out of this, you know why now. It's just, okay, anyway. So I got the collagen, I got the electrolytes, lots and lots of water. Yes, I'm gonna be drinking my coffee. We talked about the meats, any kind of meats, but I will be doing a high fat, high protein challenge. For me, the more fat that I ate, the more I saw my inches shrink, my weight go down. So pork belly, you know I got an obsession with pork belly. If I'm having steak, I'm definitely eating that fat around. I am not going to do lean meats. Like I had somebody ask if they can do like turkey. Yes, you can have turkey. If you love turkey or like lean meats, absolutely go ahead, go for it. I will not be doing turkey. I want to do high fat, high protein. Here and there, I'll do some grilled onions, avocados, okay? Again, I'm going to take each day as it comes and listen to my body. What else did I talk about? We talked about intermittent fasting, the water, any other like questions. I do have, again, previous videos. I will leave links down below to certain videos, to posts, to certain other links, okay? Check it down below, okay? Description down below. Okay, and like I mentioned before, I will continue to do like what I eat in a week videos, but I am trying to sell my house. I have a whole lot of things happening. I might not be able to record certain days, so please, heads up, I am not a daily vlogger, like things going out and doing stuff. I do share what happened, but if I cannot record, I'm sorry. I just have to do what is best for me, best for my husband. I take it literally one day at a time. If I can, I will record. If I can't, just heads up. That's why it took me so long to even record this, because I had so much stuff happening, coming back from Portland, getting things situated. So I love you all. And if you guys have not done so already, please go ahead and subscribe. Join this carnivore challenge if you haven't done so already. If you didn't vote yet, I mean, we are starting Monday, so let's do this. If you guys have any questions for anything that I mentioned in the video, please go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you think somebody would benefit from this challenge and kind of get an idea of what it's all about, go ahead and share this video as well. And if you liked it, and if you like me and my goofiness and my weirdness, give me a thumbs up. So, all right, you guys, that's it. Very easy, very fast. Challenge starts Monday. We are doing 8 weeks. So you guys, let's get started. I hope you guys got your shopping done. Make a list if you didn't, and let's do it. So I might not have my first week of what I eat in a week till the second week because of everything that has been happening. So I'm literally starting with you guys, but I will have videos here and there. So stay tuned for that. All right, you guys, till my next video, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I'll see you guys next time. And here are some small little clips of what happened in Portland. Hey, you guys, we're at the airport. We are just about to get on the plane and head over to Portland, Oregon. So we'll see you guys there. We are in Portland, and this is what the weather's like.